Hello everyone, in this video I will show you step by step how hackers use Nikto to scan a website for vulnerabilities and hidden directories. We'll be using the following tools and system: Linux as the attacker machine, Metasploitable 2 as the victim machine, Nikto as the vulnerability scanner. This tutorial is intended for educational purpose and ethical hacking only. Let's begin. You can install Nikto by typing sudo apt install Nikto. Now let's scan the target using Nikto. Run the following command: Nikto target website. In this case, I will use Metasploitable 2 as the target website. This means target host. We are scanning HTTP service on Metasploitable 2. Let's break the output down step by step. Nikto will print something like Apache 2.2.8. The web server version, it is all annoying to have vulnerable. S-prime option missing means the site is vulnerable to clickjacking. Allowed methods. Some of these can be abused like trace, PHP my admin. Hackers target these to try MySQL login attack. /test/icons could reveal sensitive data or be misconfigured. Hidden directories. Nikto automatically check for common directory, but you can customize your scan to check more using this command: Nikto target website tag display v tag output scan.txt. Tag display v show detail output. Tag output scan.txt. Save the result to a file named scan.txt. Now you can read the full report in the terminal and from the file. Let's try scanning using proxy chains. You can scan websites anonymously using proxy chains. You can also scan specific ports by adding the tag P option after the target URL. Summary and protection tips. Nikto is powerful for finding outdated software, exposing admin panels, detecting misconfigurations, showing useful attack space. To protect your site, keep software up to date, disable unnecessary HTTP methods, protect admin and PHP my admin with strong password, use firewall and headers like S-prime options. And that is it. You have just learned how to use Nikto like a hacker to scan a website for vulnerabilities step by step. Like the video, drop a comment for the next tutorial, subscribe for more beginner friendly hacking videos. Stay ethical and stay smart.